Hello, my name is Lee Kristensen. I'm Product Manager here at Ransomes Jacobson. I am here to talk to you about the next generation in the MP series. I've been involved in the development of this project from the very beginning. I just wanted to introduce you to the new 5-gang cylinder variant. So, first impressions, this is replacing the old outgoing Commander. First impressions, I hope you agree, it's a much smaller platform overall. So we've managed to take over 100mm off the transport width, so with all the units folded up, you can get in much tighter areas. We've also lost a lot of bulk outside the back of the mower, reducing the rear end, so manoeuvring in tight spaces is a lot easier, with much less chance of catching trees or debris. With the tight transport width, we've still maintained the wide width of cut, so with all the units down, you've still got 3.5 metre width of cut. As well as making a more agile platform, we've also managed to take a lot of weight out. Because we started from scratch with a blank sheet of paper, we could use smarter materials and be clever in the way we use the steel. This has resulted in 230 kilograms coming off the weight compared to the outgoing model. Benefits in weight savings are massive. You get increased efficiency when cutting and climbing, increased efficiency when transporting on the road, better fuel economy, and when you're putting the machine on a trailer, it's easier to find the right trailer with the right capacity. Of course, mention efficiency and powering. We've got 2 engine options now with this MP, 495 and 655, a 49 horsepower stage 3A option and a 65 horsepower stage 3B fully compliant option. Those engines power a much more efficient hydraulic system, which is then linked to the same proven Ransomes cutting units. Available as a Sport 200mm option or a Magna 250mm, you can get fixed or floating heads in a variety of knives from 4 up to 11 blade units. The way we're mounting these units on the chassis has been redesigned. So starting down here, we've now got a brake back system for the wings. So any impacts you take on the turf will be absorbed by a sprung system, ultimately protected by a shear pin. So in the event of a serious accident, you're protecting the important chassis components. The lift pin is now inclined, so when the units lift up, they fold back behind the operator out of his line of sight when transporting on the road. Access to the centre unit on these 5-gang ride-ons is notoriously difficult, so we've kept access as open as possible, leaving plenty of room to get in and adjust and set on cut the cutting unit. As well as getting high productivity from cutting units and lots of available horsepower, we've also focused on comfort to keep the operators happy and keep them productive all day. The start point of that is an iso-mounted operators platform. 4 positions, iso rubber mounts, a great place to build an ergonomic operators environment. Next stage from that is a high-spec seat, either in mechanical or air suspension. The armrest is fully adjustable tilt steering wheel, and the pedal rake is also adjustable to fit operators of all sizes. Now the operator is comfortable, he's got a great view of the cutting area from this seating position. Control of the cutting units is all on this armrest. The fingertip joysticks give fatigue-free operation for running with 3 or 4 or 5 units all day long. That was a brief introduction to the latest in the MP wide area mower series. My name's Lee Kristensen. I'm Product Manager, Ransomes Jacobson.